MSTR stock analysis and MSTR stock prediction. What I will be doing in this brief short 1-minute video is showing you my exact play for Monday, 30th of June. So how is this going to look like? If you ask me, very simple. I just want to see a confirmation taking place, and then I'm looking to take things further up. You know, I haven't done well over 42,000 videos over 5 years of seeing what's printing me money and what's not. So especially with the MSTR, well, the confirmation must be met. If it's not met, I don't care. Like, I'm not buying. And look how many receipts I actually got in my Discord server. 52 results. Crazy. Yeah, I know it's crazy, but unless there's a double break, I'm not buying. You might think I'm overcomplicating this stuff and all that. Bro, it's really not that deep. Rules just must be met. And it's all, you know. That's all. Previously, you know, I was sitting here buying MSTR. Like, look at this, for example, video. At that given time, I think the price was like 2 months back, and the price was already at around the 306, whatever, right? 306 bucks. Now it's 383. Yeah, 307. You can see here. Looking for longs. So we've came a long way. If you want to learn the stuff that's taken me 5 years to learn, click the first link in the description. Get the risk-free sauce. Expires soon. 1,200 people have gotten it.